You know what's crazy? Homelander in the scene where the crowd is taunting him and he pictures laser eyeing everyone. And also the weather. The weather is pretty crazy because it can come out of nowhere and wham, bam, your roof is busted. Fortunately, you have insurance, so you're straight, right? And depending on your home insurance, you might feel bent if Mother Nature has your roof a little sideways. Trust me, you don't want to learn this on the go. There are two property insurance types when it comes to roof coverage. One is actual cash value and the other is replacement cost value. Actual cash value represents the cost of replacing your roof, considering its age and wear and tear. It's essentially the replacement cost minus depreciation. So if you have an ACV policy and your roof replacement cost is $20K, but the depreciated value is $14K, you're staring down the barrel of 6 G's. On the other hand, the replacement cost value policy covers replacing the same roof you have on your home at today's costs without depreciation. At that rate, your only cost is your deductible or any upgrades you choose to add on. For context, a typical deductible is about $2,500. Regarding premiums, ACV is generally cheaper, even as high as 20% cheaper. It should be, given that you may need those savings to cover any claim differences in the future. RCV coverage will cost you a bit more, but the return on investment is the feeling of being covered when you need it most. The thousands of dollars that stay in your pocket are the cherry on top. There's a fair amount to your roof, the most significant of which is the condition of your roof today and how that will impact you if you ever file a claim. The DroneQuote IQ service provides an accurate baseline of your property today, building a strong foundation for potential claims in the future to help you get the most out of the policy you pay for. Included with the service is a second drone assessment within 24 months if there's been a severe weather event that has caused damage to your property. Here's what you should take away from this video. Number one, understand the kind of coverage you have on that pretty roof of yours. And number two, get some idea of your roof and property baseline condition, so in the event of severe weather, the insurance company has no choice but to write you a check for true worth, not assumed worth. That wraps up our dive into roof coverages. The roof of your home is the most critical component of your home's function and integrity. Hit the subscribe button if you agree. How about that?